Hello discerning drinkers and welcome to the Cocktail Architect. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cocktail called the Exotique using our artisan syrup made of black cardamom and star anise. This is a really yummy wintry type of syrup, I believe, to make different drinks other than a basic cocktail. You can make a chai-esque type of drink using tea or a nice chilled coffee maybe. Okay, so I always use the syrup first, which is our black cardamom and star anise syrup. We're going to use an ounce. That's the small part of my jigger. We're using an ounce of the syrup, which I think, you know, depending on your sweet tooth, I think it's always good to use an ounce of the syrup. Great, so we put the syrup in. Now we're going to use 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. If you have juicy limes, you get that at about a half of a lime will give you that 3/4 of an ounce. Again, using the jigger for consistency. Now we're going to use our booze. I always like to put the booze in at the end, just because it's not diluting in the ice while you're waiting to make the cocktail. I'm going to flip the jigger over. I'm using a Stoli vodka. I like to put all my spirits in decanters. It's just more chic. Oh, and you can't see it, but I put a lovely frozen passion fruit ice cube at the bottom of the shaker. We're going to take our martini glass. Look, and that passion fruit really came out of the ice cube. Wow, amazing. This drink was created in St. Bart's for a private birthday party, and we've been using it since. It's just so aromatic, and the final touch is a little bit of pink peppercorn dust that you put on top. So you got the black cardamom, fresh lime juice, vodka, passion fruit, and a little bit of pink peppercorn to make the Exotique. Just one of the ways that you can utilize the black cardamom and star anise syrup in making a cocktail. Cheers.